Hello friends, welcome to Azure 204 Lab 12 Exercise 2. So here is the lab scenario. So far we are done with exercise 1 and in this video we'll work on exercise 2. So let's go to the instruction page. Here we are, exercise 2. It says monitor a local web app by using application insights. Okay. So task 1 is to build a .NET application. So we need to start VS Code first and then we need to open the starter/API folder from lab 12. Okay, so let me just start VS Code. I'm already here. Let me open the folder. I'll go to the lab 12, which is down here, starter and API. Okay, select. Let's go back. Now we need to run this particular command to create a new project named simple API. So let me open a terminal window and I'll paste the command here. Hit enter. So everything is fine. I'll go back. Now next thing is that we need to, at the command prompt, we need to run this particular command and it will add the package called Microsoft.Application Insight version 2.13. Okay. So command is like, this is the command to add a package in your .NET project. .NET space add space package and then you can mention your package name and then the version number. Now next that we need to add one more package, which is Microsoft.Application Insights.ASP.NET Core. Okay, so let me just clear and then I'll put the command here. Click on add. It won't take much time. Till then, let's go back. Now next that we need to add, okay, one more package. I'll copy the command. I'll go back to the VS Code and I'll paste the command here. Hit enter. So now we are adding package Microsoft Application Insight dot preference counter collector. It's done. It's quick. Now we need to run the .NET build command just to make sure that things are good. So let me just clear first and then now I run command .NET build. I am not having any errors at the moment. So 0 warning and 0 errors, we are good. Okay, so here we are done with task 1. Now let's move to the task 2, which says update application code to disable HTTPS and use application insight. Okay, so we need to go to our project and open startup.cs file. In the editor, we need to delete the following line: use.app.use HTTP redirection. Okay, so we'll go to the VS Code, startup.cs file, which is here, and now we need to delete the line called this one, use HTTP redirection. I'll command this one for now. Control S. Let's go back. Now in the startup class, add a new entry called instrumentation key. I'll copy this one. I'll go back and just right below I'll put this new entry. Here we need to mention the instrumentation key which we copied earlier. So here is my key. I'll copy and I'll paste the key here. Control S. Okay. Now find the configuration service method in the startup.class. This is how it looks like. Add a new line. So we need to add this particular line, and so we need to look for the configuration service method, which is here, and we need to add this particular line. Services.add application insights telemetry instrumentation key, the key which we created here is down here, right? Okay, now what is next? Now observe the configuration service. So this is how it looks like. We are good. Save the startup.cs file, run the .NET build command. Okay, so we have already saved the startup.cs. I will run the command .NET build. I am not expecting any errors. So it says there are 17 errors. Okay, so let's just go and verify. So what I will do is I'll copy this constant, I'll move it on top inside our class. So now there are no errors. Okay, let's go back. Task 3 is to test the API application locally. So we need to run our program, and then we need to go to the localhost. So I'll copy this URL. Okay, so let me just clear. I'll run the program. .NET run, hit enter. Okay, so started. Let me just go to the browser and I'll paste the URL. So do you see? This is the output or response of this particular API weather forecast. Okay, so here we are done with task 3 as well. Task 4 says get metrics in application insight. Okay, so for that we need to go to the Azure portal. We need to go and open the application insights account. From the application insights blade, in the tiles in the center of the blade, find the displayed metrics. Specifically find the number of server requests that have occurred and the average server response time. Okay, now we need to monitor. So we'll go to the Azure portal. Let me close. Now from here we need to open the application insights account, which is here, and now here we need to monitor the second server response time. Okay, so there are failed requests, response time, server request, and availability. There are so many things. Okay, let's go back. So it can take up to 5 minutes to observe requests in the application insights metrics charts review. Okay, so here we are done with exercise 2. Now next one is the exercise 3. So that will cover in the next video. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.